RV Resort.
It's all about location, location, location.
San Francisco RV Resort is on the ocean, close to the city.
This is the place to be if you want to visit San Francisco, Pacifica, or the North Central Coast.
On our property is part of the California Coastal Conservancy Trail, which eventually will run from the north to the south of California. It's a multi-use trail for bicycles and for walking. We have great hikes all the way along south of us to the beaches and up to the headlands.
From surfing, golfing, to fishing, it's all outside your front door.
Hike to the top of Montera Mountain for sweeping views of the entire Bay Area.
Within walking distance, you can reach one of the many restaurants, cafes, and bars with ocean views.
Pretty much everything you need for your stay is just a minute or two walk along the coast. So whether you're an adventure seeker, want to visit the city, or just relax, we have it all here at San Francisco RV Resort.
Such a beautiful view.